Today, we're diving into the intriguing concept of how saving souls and modern technology intersect in unexpected ways. Let's explore this fascinating connection. The challenge: bridging the gap between spirituality and advanced technology like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. At first glance, these realms seem worlds apart, but are they really? Exploring the evolution, technology and spirituality have both evolved dramatically over the years, from ancient tools to modern devices, and from traditional practices to contemporary spiritual experiences. These domains have more in common than you might think. Connecting the dots. How are these worlds connected? Let's delve deeper. The connection. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with features that can enhance spiritual practices, from meditation apps to virtual communities, and even tools for self-reflection and growth. This device is more than just a tech gadget. It can be a spiritual companion, enhancing the process. See how these features support and enrich the journey of saving souls. In conclusion, the parallels between saving souls and advanced technology are unexpected yet profound. Together, they can create a powerful synergy for personal and communal growth. Share your thoughts on this unique connection in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more animated insights. Thanks for watching.